Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a pet to your reservation on Frontier Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Frontier application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Frontier if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom of the screen, as you can see, we have the home where you can go and book your flight. Also, we have a book a flight where you can do that, your trips, flight status, and more in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a pet to your reservation on Frontier Airlines. So first of all, go to the website or on your account, of course, or the mobile app and click on My Trips, which is in the middle of the screen, as you can see here. Then you need to click on the Manage Booking option. So you just need to firstly go and click the confirmation code, put in the code and your last name, search for a flight, then click on Manage Booking option. Look for the option to add special services and select Pet Cabin. Follow the prompts to complete the process and pay any acceptable fees. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.